I'm going to show you the very easiest way to thicken acrylic paint. This method works for soft body paints like Liquitex brand or Golden or any of the other high-grade professional soft body paints. It also works for student-grade acrylic paints like Liquitex Basics or Dick Blick Studio Acrylics. And I've got one thing that is important to know, and that is about craft paint. I personally don't think that you should use any type of thickeners or mediums along with craft paint. These are the 99-cent little bottles of paint that you get in the craft section of Michael's. They also have them at Hobby Lobby and Walmart, places like that. They're the very cheapest kind of paint that you can get when you are painting in acrylics. And the problem with this type of paint is that the pigment load, so the amount of color that's in the paint, is really low. It's already watered down a lot. And that's why the paint is very thin when you pour it out of the bottle. And so if you mix that already thinned down paint with something else, a thickener, a medium to thicken it up, you're further diluting the pigment. So you're further diluting the color vibrancy. So it's important to use this method that I'm about to show you with a little bit higher grade of paint, but student grade paint is fine, just not the craft paint. The basic things you're going to need is some medium and some paint. And so the medium that I really like to use to thicken acrylic paint is Golden Heavy Gloss Gel Medium, but you can also use the Liquitex version, which is right here. So you just take a little bit of the gel medium out here, put it on the palette. We're going to start with the student grade acrylic paint because I think this is what most people are probably going to get, especially when they first start out painting. As you can see, I've got about a 50-50 mixture, which is a good amount, and you just mix it up really good. Till it looks even. You see how nice and thick that is? And it still has plenty of pigment. It doesn't look translucent or thin in any way. Next, we're going to do the soft body paint, which is a little bit more liquid. You can see. But again, you can do about a 50-50 mixture. And with the soft body paint, you just have to mix it for a little bit longer because the viscosity is quite different between the heavy gel medium and the thinner soft body paint. You can see it starts out with looking kind of chunky, but if you keep just mixing it for a while, it'll get a nice consistency. If it looks a little more translucent than you would like, then just add a little bit more soft body paint. It's really nice and thick now. Next, it's also important to know how to save your paint so that way you can reuse it time and time again without having to throw it away after each painting session. If you'd like to know how to do this, I've made an entire video showing you how I make a really easy paint palette that's reusable. You can watch that video here. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.